Because you have probably already sent many emails or follow-up messages without receiving a response, use the following 12 phrases from now on. Weak or hackneyed phrases can make you seem like a novice. First situation, you've had a client meeting and are writing a follow-up email. You used to say, "Thank you for your time." Now you say, "I appreciate your insight." Second situation, you want to send a follow-up message and don't know what to say. In the past, you would say, "I just wanted to check that everything was okay." Now you say, "I wanted to come back to our last conversation." Third situation, instead of saying, "I wanted to get in touch again," from now on you say, "I have some news that might interest you." Fourth situation, you never say again, "I wanted to share this with you." You now say, "Let's figure out how to solve this problem." Fifth situation, closing the sale. Before you asked, "Do you have a budget for this?" Now you ask, "How does this fit with your current priorities?" Sixth situation, qualification question. Up until now you have always asked, "Are you the decision maker?" Now you ask the question differently and ask, "Who else should be involved in this conversation?" Wow, that was pretty cool. The next 6 phrases will blow your mind. Find the link for part 2.